So we have a Polygon tool on here. It's right next to text. If you hover above it, you'll see it says Polygon. It draws like a circle where you click on it. You're going to click once at the center point and bring it out to however big you want that diameter. You can watch your scales on the bottom or the left-hand side of the screen, or you watch your scales on the right-hand side and your parameter, or you just click wherever you need and then come over here and say the internal diameter, this dotted line that you see on my Polygon, I want that to be 3.5 inches. From this point, you could come over here and you got side counts, and you just type in or click on how many sides you want, and you can see it changing around. Once you have your diameter set and your sides set up how you want them, you just click the check mark or the green. Once you have it set up, you click the enter button or the green check mark to accept. You'll see it shade out and you got a good part. To get out of that, you'll either click the Polygon button again or you click escape.